We both know it's been a while since a family reunion. Only opportunities on the phone to ask how we're doing. Still the same story, only difference is we're getting older. The aggressions are growing up, so I hope they grow to know ya. I know soon enough we'll come and visit and be there. So if we were all together, would there be need for possible boom? Hope you received all the text messages that I sent through. I got your last one, love and kisses, may God bless you. Hope your prayers are heard and working up through the Holy Ghost. If I'm broke next time, I'll fatten up the envelope. Take care of your health so there's always more years to come. So you can stand proud and see how well your children have become.
I saw you like a light, saw you